Hi, in this short demo, we will be showcasing how Fyltr integrates with Google Drive and Google Sheets. Let's start with simple form. I have a simple form like this, which have like a couple of fields, and I'll go to the integrations tab and connect Google Sheets and Google Drive. Let's start with Google Sheets. Okay, I'll continue again. You can review the privacy policy and terms of service. Continue. And one last time, I will also connect Google Drive for the file storage. And so I'll continue. Now that is done, let's connect Google Sheets. I have a simple Google Sheet that I'll copy the link as and paste it right here. I'll save the configurations and that is done. Now I open a form, new tab, a form. Once the form is submitted, we can see the response is automatically submitted when I click the submit. Once the form is submitted, we can see the response is automatically added as a new row in a Google Sheet form. At the same time, the uploaded files are instantly uploaded in the Google Drive. This demonstrates how Fyltr seamlessly syncs from form responses with Google Sheets and Google Drive, fully automating the data and file management.